enhancements of the structures, the corresponding structures. Excuse me. So the search application ES underscore the corresponding name of the entity type. Similarly, for our own entity type, we need to build our own structures. So this is one of the standard procedures at the time of the data model enhancement. We have to also update or generate the corresponding structure for enterprise application. It usually starts with ES underscore the name of the entity type. And once this structure is updated, then it is also required that we should verify this structure. So if you see the standard data type or the standard structure MDG ES material. So the enhancement of the data model with the corresponding update of the data model structure should update the corresponding structure for search application, like we see on this screen. ES underscore material, this is appended with the G fields that we have initially maintained within the data model. So these are not new steps. We know this, that any data model enhancement will require these steps. And equally important step is also the update of the mapping structures in SMT. So we know that based on the use case, if we are building a new entity type or we are adding an attribute to an existing entity type, so we have to then use the service mapping tool to either update the corresponding structure, or we may also need to create our own mapping structure. So like in this example, here we have MDG BS mat PP. This is basically staging area to the active area, and within this the corresponding mapping step. So in our case we can have a look at one of the mapping steps, but these steps are similar to what we do in the data model enhancements. So let's say we pick up a structure for so let me decrease this size and so that we are able to view the table. So let me pick up any structure which is so some of the fields that we see here, it's part of generally a material root. So let me open this mapping step, go to details, and then within the transformations we can see the mapping of the source structure with the target structure, and within this structure apart from the standard fields, we can also see the mapping of the corresponding Z objects. So So this has to be built.